Oh, it's already recording. Oh, nice. Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Is mine blinking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. I forgot. There is a quick record option. Basically, if it's off, you can hit the record button. It'll start doing it like immediately. Basically, so you don't miss anything. Yeah. See how left you can bear. There's gonna be a little bit uphill, so. Nice. Not too bad.
You got it, bro. This way?
Yeah. Follow signs for either snow shed or snow shed crossover. This is the snow shed crossover. It's a fun trail in its own right, honestly. On your left. Forward hoe. Yes. It's the only option. Ah! Oh, wait a minute. That's the snow shed crossover. What do we do now?
Lamau.
I guess we're taking cruise control. Whoop. Almost fell. I guess we're taking cruise control. Go down to the lip.
Down to which lip?
The lip.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. You sure?
See if we can pick up Great Eastern down below a little further.
I don't want to run into anyone, but whatever. Me first.
It's offloading really well. I really like the way you're offloading, up and down. It's really good.
Goggles are fogging up a little bit. Hold on.
Does that help?
No. God damn it, stay in this.
Give me. Give me.
I think my muffler was pushing my breath into my goggles.
Yeah, that'll do it. I like this one for you. We might do this a few more times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's get it.